Hey, welcome to the video. In this video, let's see how we can create a map chart in Tableau. If we have the data are related to any address or any place, we can show that data in a map chart. So let's see how we can create that in Tableau. In my data set, I have the data of state. Here you can see I have the data of state and I will bring that into my columns and I want to show the sales for each state. So by default it will give in a bar chart, and if I click over to show me, and here I have that map chart and click it over here, but the problem is Tableau not able to identify each state. So for that I need to click over here and edit locations, and I will change the country code to USA because the state is belongs to USA, United States, and I will click OK, and here I press OK. Now Tableau is able to identify each state that belongs to United States. So here I can see all the data that California, it shows the overall sale for belongs to California, that is $4,57,688. Like that I can see the data for categorize it for each and every state. So this is how we can create a map chart. Here we have another chart, that is map. So this shows each state's data. So but the label is not clear, so I will add the label like a state to the label, then I can see the state name and I will show the sales also. So here I have clear information that the California and Washington, all the states and with its sales amount. So this is how we can create a map chart in Tableau. If you want to make any customization, you can do that. You can create a tooltip for that. If I click it over here, it will give the tooltip. So we can make many customizations. So in this video, I just want to show you how we can create a basic map chart in Tableau. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.